The thing about this thing is you have so many resorts around the Ran Utsav that you don't. Hello guys. We are riding at good speed. Top box is supposed to be straight and not bent. Freezing, 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 freezing. Temperature is almost 5 degrees Celsius. Good morning. Good morning from Run of Kutch. Okay, so hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's freezing cold out here and we are about to have some breakfast. Few of the riders were about to join with us yesterday but they couldn't join, and they just reached now, and we'll just get together with them, have a little chat and see if we could go to the Ran Utsav over here. That was the main goal, to come here, Ran Utsav. It's really beautiful, we heard. So we are staying in Ran Khandi right now. The place is really beautiful, and this is our room over there. Our bikes are parked right beside the room. We just took the bike over there and just jumped it over here. We came around 1 in the night and it was really freezing, and the people over here are really kind, and they put us a bonfire over there. We had our dinner at 1:30 in the night. We were freezing, we got changed, and we just slept at around 3 o'clock in the morning. Everything was paining. We just finished our Viva at 9 in the morning. Me and Pratik had our exams. Yeah, we'll have a breakfast and get together back with you. Also, I'm gonna clear my memory card because the other memory card isn't working. So I'm just gonna transfer all the files. I mean, look at the size of the chai. Okay, hold on. Almost there.
It's freaking cold here, man.
Yes, he's not lying. It's freaking cold out here. You can see the sun has risen, but believe me, it's still cold. It's almost 14 degrees right now, and I'm wearing a dry fit, a thermal and a hoodie, so it's not going good. I'm just transferring the files over here. We also were planning to join 3 of other riders yesterday. They couldn't come because one of their bikes got punctured. They were Interceptor 650, a Ninja 300 and a KTM Duke 390, and the other guys just came here. We are just talking with them. They just landed here. It's almost 10:36 in the morning, and
आपकी बाइक के साथ फोटो खींच सकते हैं?
हाँ ठीक है, मैं बाइक लेके आता हूँ।
I think you're better without me. Know for a fact that you're happy now. Hate that I treated you badly.
जो है ना वो राजकोट से है, तो राजकोट वाला थोड़ा लॉन्ग है और ये 4 लाइन है, 6 लाइन है कहीं तक तो, और कहीं इसके नीचे वो नहीं, ब्रिज से ऊपर से वहाँ तक आए ना आप लोग, यहाँ तक बचाव से नीचे डाइवर्स है।
हाँ नीचे डाइवर्स।
okay, so we had our breakfast and we took a slight nap of an hour or something. It's almost 12:30 in the afternoon. We are probably gonna have our lunch and head out to Ran Utsav, the tent city, just beside tent city. The thing about this thing is you have so many resorts around the Ran Utsav that you don't need to actually book in tent city to just come here and visit here. As time passes by, I'll give you lots of information of how to come here, how to ride the bike, what you should carry here, what's the temperature around here at what time and stuff like that, and I'll keep you guys tuned. So we are gonna head to have our lunch now, and then we'll get ready once again, change and get freshened up and head out to Ran Utsav. Yeah, this is how the dining hall looks like. They have a fixed menu, and the food here is really good. They have roti, they have 2 types of sabzi, and a little bit of sweet onions and tomatoes. Those are the riders. Pratik and Kaka are already on the line, so we'll eat now and we'll head to Ran Utsav.
Always ahead.
Always ahead. Okay, cool. So we are heading to a garage which is around 25 kilometers away. Yeah. We are heading there because of that. My fog lamp is not there and Kaka's is really loose. So yeah, a little bit of fitting and a general checkup, and we're planning to visit the Kala Dungar viewpoint over there today. And yeah, also I got the strap done.
Hate that I've treated you badly. Not much to do except apologize.
So if we take a left here, it's white desert, and if we go straight, don't go straight, just take a left, okay?
No, I don't want you back, not at all. I just wanted to give you a call.
Okay, Kaka just said we are not going left, we are just following left. Ah, hi, Pratikandi. The man with the plan.
I regret what I said at the mall. No, I don't even miss you a bit. You and I didn't work, didn't fit.
Okay, parasailing, nice. Okay, no, paramotoring, nice. Nice. Tomorrow I'm coming there. But today, we are taking our time to acclimatize. It's freezing.
And I think you were right, I admit it. I do. I hope you hear me through.
This is Run, man. This is White Run. Oh my god, just look at this. This is not typically the White Run, but just look at this, man. Just look at this. Oh my god. I didn't know if my bike could make it, but yeah, apparently it did. I'm proud of you, Scarlett.
Me through. No, I was bad for you. So I gotta tell the truth.
Okay, there's a fuel pump over here. We'll get ourselves a full tank of fuel. Hope this guy has all the nuts that we need to fix this tank pouch. Oh my god, my back aches. From Ranotsav, there's a petrol bump after almost 15 kilometers. You don't get a single petrol bump from all the way from Bhuj to here. This is the only petrol bump you get, and if you go ahead or before, you don't get anything. This is not a mechanic, this is just a puncher guy. So after getting fueled up, we are here at the garage. The garage owner is kinda like a pain in the ass. He's not working on our bikes. He just said he's busy and he can't for at least another 4 hours. So we just asked for some bolts and nuts and we are just fixing it ourselves. Kaka's fog lamp is still broken. My silencer's head is broken and threading is stuck inside. So we just put another nut over here. Pratik is fixing the bumper now. Don't think the fog lamp's nut can be fixed either because yeah, we can't find a nut which is this small. So Kaka's fog lamps are not sufficient for him. He's complaining. I'm complaining. Look at all the fuse and stuff. This is my toolkit, and yeah, I just stole a 4 nuts, so don't tell anybody. Thank you so much. So we are done in the garage now, and we'll be heading to White Run after drinking some chai. You can see the sunset over there if we get there before time.
Spoiler alert, we didn't get there in time.
Okay, back to Rankhandi. Yeah, we saw Ranotsav on the way back, but we couldn't stop because we had to come back and we had to get rid of some stuff in our room. We are just around the bonfire right now, and everybody's kind of in a chill mood, and it's really cozy and really cold around here, so everybody's packed up. Just sitting, we are talking to other riders, where their journey. Just another group who I mentioned in the morning, we were talking to them, where they had been. One of them is a youngster, one of them is a bit older, one of them is a bit younger to all of them. But yeah, everything is going really smoothly and it's really good. So this is gonna be the end of the video. Thank you for making me a part of your day. My name is Bhatta. Welcome to the family. Adios.
Bitches on my dick cause a boy so mysterious. That's a mystery. Thoughts making history. Wrist keeps spinning like a fucking rotisserie.